Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Lawyers Law. So we all know that AIBE is coming like within 10 days, and we also have UP judiciary examination just round around the corner. It's just sitting there looking at you. So in order to help you with the cases, because we know the sections have been dealt immensely on YouTube, and you can just type the section you want to study and you will get a lot of material on YouTube. So I thought I'll deal with the cases in an elaborate way so that you could cover every cases which is important from the point of view of both AIB and UP judiciary and any other judicial examination in which the focus could be upon case laws. Okay, so today I am going to deal with the section 124A of Indian Penal Code, that is sedition. It has been in news for quite of some time now. Right from 2016, it has been continuously in the news. Okay, so we'll move forward with the videos with the case laws. But please, before moving on with the video, if you like my content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do let me know what else topic do you want me to make the videos. Okay, and please do tell about the channel to other people, to other aspirants who want to join and study with me, want to take a different outlook, not just the bare act outlook, but a different outlook toward the law. Okay, fine. Let's start with sedition, section 124A of Indian Penal Code. So we all know what is section. I will not deal with sedition as per 124A completely. बस एक छोटा सा मैं थोड़ा इंग्लिश में बात करूँगी, क्योंकि आई नो यूपी जुडिशरी 50% पीपल आर फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम बैकग्राउंड, तो सबके लिए आसान हो. So it will be mix of both Hindi and English. Okay. So section 124A is basically creating an hatred, disaffection, contempt, a feeling of dislike towards the government. If you create such thing and which may have certain consequences that people react to it in a certain way, then it amounts to sedition. And if someone does the sedition and the court convict him, he will be imprisoned for 3 years and will also be liable to pay fine. Okay, remember the punishment, 3 years. There are certain keywords like disaffection, excites, attempt. These 3 keywords are really important for sedition. If you are writing a mains ka answer, remember these 3 keywords: disaffection, excites and attempt. Okay, now we'll move with the case laws. I have divided the case laws like pre-independence, post-independence, and the latest 2022 ka judgment. Okay, now we'll go pre-independence. I will be dealing with 2 cases. The first is J.C. Bose case, Queen Emperor versus J.C. Bose case, which is of 1892. What happened in this case was that the court have elaborated on the meaning of disaffection, and it have include almost everything in it. It meant that probation, the disapprobation, which has been referred in section 124A, includes dislike or hatred. We have to just remember the name just in case it match the following it comes, so that you know that this case is related to sedition. Okay, Queen Empress versus J.C. Bose. Then the very famous case is Queen Empress versus Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, which in this case it was an unfortunate observation, but the court has held that there need not be any consequences or taste a hint of dislike towards the government. A sense of hatred creation towards the government will also amount to sedition. Okay, so remember these 2 cases from pre-independence: Queen Empress versus J.C. Bose and Queen Empress versus Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Right?
The post-independence case, Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras, 1950. Remember the crossword case which we have studied in the Constitution chapter. It was held that the leftist general, the crossword was the apex court held, observed that the sedition have to be a liberal expansion and it should not be strictly dealt with. It have to be taken liberally. आराम से देखो, ऐसा नहीं कि hatred मतलब hatred. हेट्रेड आप किसी स्पीच से हो सकता हो आप कुछ बोल रहे हो उसकी वजह से आपको हेट्रेड हो सरकार की तरफ, पर जरूरी नहीं है कि वो सेडिशन हो, उसको लिबरली इंटरप्रेट करने को बोला गया. ओके, देन द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट केस केदारनाथ सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ बिहार. इट वाज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बेंच जजमेंट where the constitutionality of section 124A was upheld. Okay, remember this case, Kedarnath Singh versus State of Bihar. It was a constitutional bench case. Fine. Then we have a common cause versus Union of India 2016 case in which the direction was issued for the check and balance as to how police are charging a person for section 124A of Indian Penal Code. They have given directions to the police as a criteria as to whether a certain thing, a certain statement, a certain thing would amount to sedition or not. Then again, Kanhaiya Kumar case, we all know, we don't need to know, and it's a little controversial, so the government, the examination will not ask, but remember the Kanhaiya Kumar case is with respect to the sedition. And the latest person is S.G. Wombedkare. S.G. Wombedkare versus Union of India 2022. S.G. Wombedkare versus Union of India 2022, in which the Supreme Court has asked all the court all over India to put a stay on all the sedition cases that is going on and not to take any further case, and has asked the government of India to look into the section and to make necessary changes which are required. So the section have been stayed right now. There are no cases going on with respect to sedition law in any of the court in India, and no cases are filed on it. So that and the responsibility have been shifted, because it's a responsibility of the legislature to make laws. So responsibility have been shifted to the legislature, to the parliament, to look into the section and make the necessary changes. So I hope this video is helpful. I have purposely divided the cases in pre-independence, post-independence, and the latest 2022 ka case. There are chances that the S.G. Wombedkar case might be asked, and I have stated cases apart from Kedarnath, so that just in case we have matched the following, the person, the aspirant could able to get the 1 marks. We don't just give it to them like that. I hope the video is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe, and everybody knows what to do. And let me know more further topics which you want me to deal with it. Especially the cases, I think these videos are not easily available on YouTube. You have to watch full 2 hours, 3 hours video to get to a certain case law. So I am dealing specifically with cases, so let your friends also know about it. Thank you so much.